Artificial intelligence is a highly valuable technology that is currently enhancing various industries through machine learning and automation. Travel blogging is no different. Machine learning can be utilized to streamline various tasks, such as AI-generated blog posts, social media management, email marketing campaigns, and data analysis. This technology enables time saving and delivers quicker, measurable outcomes. Furthermore, getting started does not require any programming skills or extensive knowledge of technology. In this video, I'll be giving you a list of 7 different ways to make money with AI. 1. App development. These days, it's rare to find someone who isn't familiar with technology and how things function. It seems like everyone is naturally tech-savvy from birth. Thanks to the popularity of Shark Tank, more and more individuals are eager to start their own businesses and pursue entrepreneurship. Starting a business can feel overwhelming, especially if we lack the necessary patience or guidance. Why not take the initiative to develop your own app? When you create your app, it becomes an opportunity for you to showcase your innovative skills. Many apps utilize artificial intelligence tools, which can be helpful for your app's development. Additionally, you can generate revenue by offering premium subscriptions or selling ad space. App development can greatly benefit from the use of artificial intelligence, from the app's interactive design to the technical aspects. Platforms like Builder AI simplify the process of app development, resulting in improved output. 2. Use of machine learning in e-commerce. Online shopping has become the new normal across various industries due to the impact of the COVID-19 epidemic. Now is the ideal time to leverage machine learning and transform the e-commerce industry in this digital age. Given the rise in online shopping, there are numerous chances to improve the purchasing process and boost revenue. With the use of machine learning algorithms, you have the ability to customize the service you provide to customers, making sure their shopping experience feels personalized to their individual preferences. Picture an e-commerce platform that effortlessly caters to your preferences, anticipates your desires, and offers you tailored recommendations, resulting in a truly personalized experience. Another crucial element of successful e-commerce operations is accurately predicting supply and demand. Machine learning enables faster and more accurate models, which can help you optimize your inventory management. By staying informed about market trends and anticipating changes in demand, you can make sure you have the necessary products in stock when you need them, reducing the risk of running out and increasing your sales potential. Security is a significant issue in the digital world, and machine learning can be instrumental in safeguarding your business and customers. Our fraud detection algorithms are designed to analyze patterns and anomalies in customer behavior, allowing us to identify potential risks and prevent fraudulent activities. The advanced security system, powered by AI, ensures that your customers feel safe and secure, building trust and fostering loyalty. Automation is a revolutionary aspect of machine learning in e-commerce. AI-powered chatbots are capable of handling basic customer inquiries, offering immediate support 24/7. Automating customer support can lead to faster response times, shorter wait times, and a smoother experience for your customers. With the rise of online shopping, the potential for utilizing machine learning in e-commerce is vast. There are countless opportunities to generate income through AI. Utilize the digital revolution to improve the buying experience, optimize inventory management, enhance security, and streamline customer support. 3. Make AI-generated digital visual products. AI can also be utilized to create various forms of digital visual content, such as digital ads for websites, business logos, and marketing materials. It allows for easier editing of photos and other graphics. With the help of AdCreative.ai, you can create commercials and social content using AI technology, which can be sold to businesses. Meanwhile, Canva offers user-friendly AI-powered tools for creating and editing graphics, videos, and presentations. AI can assist in creating pitch decks, which are a form of digital visual content. These slides are designed to assist startup companies in effectively communicating their stories to investors and potential business partners. AI tools such as ChatGPT and Tome can assist creators in generating pitch decks efficiently for clients. These decks can be found on popular freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. 4. Generate audio AI content. AI has the capability to generate various forms of audio content using text-to-speech features. One way to create an audiobook is by using AI prompts to write a script and then utilizing a text-to-speech creator to generate the audio. Play, HT, Murph AI, and Listener are highly regarded AI voice generators that are known for their user-friendly interfaces and clear output. AI tools can also assist in translating videos or written content into another language. For instance, with Nova AI software, you can easily translate and add subtitles to a video. Freelance sites such as Upwork and Fiverr offer translation services for video creators. Text-to-speech tools are a great way to transform written content into an audio format. They can also be used to convert written text into audio for individuals with visual impairments. 5. Book reviews. ChatGPT is capable of performing these tasks on your behalf as well. ChatGPT also provides plugins that allow you to input PDF files and ask any questions you have. Even if you're not an avid reader, writing book reviews can be a great and straightforward way to make money with the help of AI tools. Just choose a book, read it, and then express your thoughts and feelings about it. The AI tool will take your written input and transform it into a blog post that is easy for readers to understand. It will then publish it on your blog website. If you find this task to be overwhelming, there are numerous websites available that can simplify it for you. By selecting a book, these websites will generate a new book review for you to share, eliminating the need for you to read the book, experience the emotions, and write your own thoughts. There are plenty of ways to earn money online in 2024 with the help of AI. With the help of cutting-edge technologies like AI-driven marketing automation, chatbots, and data analysis, you can enhance your online business, increase sales, and provide a better customer experience. Understanding and utilizing AI is crucial for remaining competitive and maximizing your earning potential in the digital landscape. 6. Utilize AI to grow your business. Nowadays, social media has become an essential tool that can potentially solve many of your problems. By analyzing your clients' data, you can display relevant ads for the products and services they've been searching for. These ads can be shown on search engines and social media platforms, providing benefits to your business. Additionally, you can develop applications that enhance your employees' productivity, resulting in increased profitability. If your business already has an app, you can enhance its functionality by incorporating convenient features such as speech synthesis or search by picture recognition. These additions will not only save your clients time, but also assist those with visual impairments. Your AI assistant is capable of handling a wide range of tasks, including system automation and multitasking. Several platforms have begun incorporating it, and Google is also assisting in the expansion of your business through AI. At Grow with Google, you can quickly assess the benefits that AI can bring to your services. 7. Create online courses. AI software can be utilized to develop and sell online courses, including those that educate individuals on the usage of AI. With the assistance of tools like ChatGPT, you can easily generate ideas and topics, as well as create course materials. AI tools are capable of assisting you in various ways, such as creating videos, generating scripts, and recording voiceover lessons and other course materials using a text-to-speech tool. AI can also assist you in creating marketing materials and selling your online courses to customers, possibly on a website you created using AI-powered tools. How can I use AI for passive income? Generating passive income with AI can be achieved through several methods. You can utilize it to generate timeless content, such as YouTube videos or a website with affiliate marketing links. These methods can help you generate passive income through ad revenue and product sales. Another option is to consider investing in AI stocks or exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that specialize in owning AI chatbot stocks. Certain major corporations, such as Microsoft, which is an investor in OpenAI, the company responsible for ChatGPT, provide dividend payments to their investors. In addition, certain AI ETFs include dividend-paying stocks that are specifically focused on AI. These dividends are then distributed to investors. So there you have it, folks. 7 different ways to make money with AI. Have any questions about AI-powered income streams? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI tips and tricks. See you in the next video.